In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Figma. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to combine shapes into a single, clean layer using Figma's Flatten command, and when it makes sense to use it. First, open Figma and head into the file where you want to work. You can use an existing project or start on a fresh canvas. If you're starting new, it can be helpful to draw inside a frame so everything stays organized, but it's not required. Next, add a shape to the canvas. Pick any shape from the toolbar, like a rectangle or an ellipse, and click and drag to draw it. You can give it a fill color or a stroke so it's easier to see. This will create the first layer you'll be merging. Now duplicate that shape. The fastest way is to select the shape and use a duplicate shortcut, or simply copy and paste. You can also hold a modifier key and drag to create a copy. Move the duplicate so it overlaps the original a bit. Overlapping isn't strictly necessary to merge layers, but it helps you see the result more clearly and confirms you're working with two separate layers. With both shapes on the canvas, select them together. You can drag a selection box over them or click one, then add the other to your selection. Once both are selected, right-click and choose Flatten. This command combines the selected shapes into a single vector layer while keeping their visual appearance intact. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use the Flatten shortcut as a quick alternative. After flattening, you'll notice the Layers panel now shows one combined layer instead of two. This new layer behaves like a vector shape, so you can still adjust fills, strokes, and even dive into vector points if needed. Keep in mind that flatten is a destructive merge for the structure of your layers. You can undo it immediately if you change your mind, but it won't keep the original layers inside like a group would. A quick tip: if you think you might need the original pieces later, make a duplicate of the shapes before flattening, and hide that copy in your Layers panel. Also, remember that merging layers via flatten is different from grouping. Grouping keeps each layer separate inside a container, while flatten turns them into one layer. If you're experimenting with shape combinations, consider Boolean operations first. When you're happy with the result and want a single layer, then flatten. That's it. Open your file, add a shape, duplicate it, select both, and choose Flatten to merge. Simple, clean, and ready for handoff or further editing.